A South African court is set to re-examine the circumstance surrounding the death of Nobel Peace Prize laureate Chief Albert Luthuli, an important figure in the anti-apartheid movement. The National Prosecuting Authority (NPA) will present new evidence in an attempt to overturn the initial findings, addressing long-standing doubt and suspicions held by activists and Luthuli's family. The 1967 inquest concluded that Luthuli was struck by a train and died from a fractured skull, with no evidence of criminal culpability. However, Luthuli's family and activists have long suspected that his death was not an accident and that the authorities covered it up. Chief Albert Luthuli was the leader of the then-banned African National Congress (ANC) and won the Nobel Peace Prize in 1960 for his anti-apartheid efforts. The ANC later led the struggle against apartheid and came to power in 1994. Albert Mthunzi Luthuli, the grandson of Chief Albert Luthuli, welcomed the reopening of the inquest. He said, "While the passage of the time and the death of many suspected individuals make it challenging, we are hopeful that the truth will come to light." Chief Albert Luthuli's death occurred at a critical juncture in the South Africa's history. He was a prominent figure in the anti-apartheid movement, known for his unwavering commitment to non-violent resistance. The initial ruling of his death as an accident has been met with skepticism, especially given the political climate of the time. The family believes the TRC led many families down by granting amnesty to apartheid-era murderers. The TRC, established in 1995, aimed to uncover the truth about past abuses, grant amnesty to those who confess their crimes, and help heal the nation. However, it has been criticized for its leniency in some cases. Another inquest into the death of an anti-apartheid lawyer, Umlungisi Griffith Mklenge, who was killed in 1981, is also being reopened. Mklenge was stabbed 45 times and his throat was slit. An inquest in 1982 failed to identify his killers, but 9 years later, Buthana Amon Nofemela confessed to the murder as part of a covert hit squad. Nofemela, along with the squad's commander Dirk Coetzee and David Chikalange, were found guilty of Mklenge's murder but were granted amnesty by the TRC before the criminal case could be concluded. The reopening of this inquest is seen as a crucial step in addressing the lingering questions and seeking justice from Mklenge's family. In South Africa, inquests are used to determine the cause of death and whether anyone should be held responsible. These reopenings mark a significant step in the country's ongoing effort to address unresolved injustices from the apartheid era. As South Africa takes these important steps, the hope is that the reopening of this inquest will bring closure to the families and the nation. The legacy of Chief Albert Luthuli and Umlungisi Griffith Mklenge continues to inspire, and the stories are a reminder of the ongoing fight for justice and equality in South Africa. Let us know what you make of the reopening of this inquest in South Africa in the comments below. This is the News God.